Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV, your go-to channel for mastering personal finance. If you're watching this, chances are you already understand the basics of budgeting. But today, we're taking things to the next level. We'll be diving into advanced budgeting techniques designed to help you optimize your spending, boost your savings, and make your money work smarter than ever before. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your financial habits, maximize your investments, or eliminate wasteful expenses, these expert-level strategies will give you the edge you need. Stick around because you won't want to miss these powerful insights that could completely transform the way you manage your finances. 1. Zero-based budgeting, ZBB. Give every dollar a job. Let's kick things off with zero-based budgeting, ZBB, one of the most effective ways to take control of your finances. This method ensures that every single dollar you earn has a specific purpose, whether it's covering your monthly expenses, boosting your savings, or making smart investments. The goal? By the end of each month, your income minus expenses should equal zero. But don't get this confused with spending everything you make. Instead, you're strategically assigning every dollar a role, so none of your hard-earned money goes to waste. Here's how to get started. Before the month begins, create a detailed spending plan. Decide exactly where your money will go, down to the last dollar. This forces you to be more intentional with your spending and helps eliminate wasteful purchases. Whether it's covering rent, paying off debt, or building your emergency fund, every dollar should be accounted for. No more guessing where your money disappeared. Need help tracking your budget? Apps like Frollo and YNAB. You need a budget. Make it easy to follow this method and stay on top of your financial goals. Try it out and take control of your money today. 2. The 50-30-20 rule. But with a twist. You've probably heard of the classic 50-30-20 rule. A simple budgeting framework where 50% of your income goes toward needs, 30% toward wants, and 20% toward savings or debt repayment. It's a great starting point, but what if you could make it even more effective? Instead of following rigid percentages every month, let's introduce a more dynamic approach to budgeting. Here's how it works. Rather than strictly sticking to 50-30-20 every single month, consider adjusting these percentages based on your financial situation and goals. For instance, if you're aggressively saving for a down payment on a house or working toward financial independence, you might cut discretionary spending down to 10% and allocate 40% to savings. On the other hand, if you've had a month with unexpected expenses, you could temporarily shift more funds toward covering necessities. The key is to make your budget work for you, not the other way around. This flexibility allows you to adapt to life's changing demands without feeling restricted. You're still following a structured budget, but with the freedom to adjust as needed. Whether you're saving for a major purchase, paying down debt faster, or just managing fluctuating income, a dynamic budget ensures you stay in control. Try tweaking your percentages based on your priorities and watch how much more effective your budgeting becomes. 3. The anti-budget. Budgeting for people who hate budgeting. Let's be honest, not everyone enjoys tracking every penny, crunching numbers, or managing complex spreadsheets. If that sounds like you, then the anti-budget might be your perfect solution. This method is designed for people who dislike the traditional budgeting process but still want to stay financially responsible and reach their money goals. Here's how it works. Instead of categorizing every single expense, you prioritize saving and investing first. Set aside a fixed percentage of your income, say 20 to 30% for savings, retirement, or investments, and then spend the rest however you like. No need to track every coffee purchase or analyze your entertainment budget. As long as you've taken care of your savings up front, the rest of your money is yours to enjoy without guilt or restrictions. This approach is perfect for people who feel overwhelmed by detailed budgets or struggle with sticking to rigid spending categories. It keeps things simple, removes the stress of constant tracking, and ensures that you're still building wealth over time. Whether you're saving for retirement, paying off debt, or just want financial peace of mind, the anti-budget lets you focus on what matters most without the hassle of traditional budgeting. Give it a try and see how effortless managing your money can be. 4. The envelope system. Digital Edition. The envelope system is an old-school budgeting method that has stood the test of time. It's simple yet incredibly effective. You divide your cash into labeled envelopes for different spending categories: groceries, entertainment, dining out, and so on. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category until the next budgeting cycle. No more overdraft fees, no more impulse spending, just financial discipline at its best. But let's bring this genius system into the digital age. Instead of using physical cash, you can create virtual envelopes using separate bank accounts, budgeting apps, or prepaid debit cards. Many banking apps allow you to set up sub-accounts for specific expenses, while apps like Good Budget and Envelopes mimic the traditional envelope system digitally. You can also use prepaid debit cards for certain categories, ensuring you never spend more than what you've allocated. This modern version helps you stay in control of your spending without the hassle of handling cash. The principle remains the same. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. It's a great way to build better money habits. Avoid overspending and stay within your budget while taking advantage of today's digital tools. If you struggle with keeping track of expenses, this method can help you visualize and limit your spending effortlessly. Try it out and see how much more mindful you become with your money. 5. The Pay Yourself First Budget. Automate wealth building. One of the most powerful and effective budgeting techniques is the Pay Yourself First method. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to see if there's anything left to save, you prioritize saving before spending on anything else. The moment your paycheck arrives, automatically transfer a set percentage, whether it's 10%, 20%, or more, into your savings and investment accounts. Treat your savings just like a mandatory bill that must be paid before anything else. Why is this so effective? Because it removes the temptation to spend first and save later. Many people intend to save, but after covering bills, entertainment, dining, and impulse purchases, they find there's little to nothing left. By flipping the script and saving first, you guarantee that you're consistently building wealth without relying on willpower. To make this even easier, automate the process. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, retirement fund, or investment portfolio the day your paycheck hits. This takes the guesswork out of budgeting and ensures that you're always working toward your financial goals. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. You don't have to micromanage every dollar. You just pay yourself first, cover your necessities, and enjoy the rest guilt-free. It's a stress-free way to grow your savings, secure your financial future, and build long-term wealth without overcomplicating your budget. Try it today and watch how effortlessly your savings start to grow. Budgeting isn't just about tracking expenses, it's about maximizing your financial potential. Whether you choose zero-based budgeting, dynamic 50-30-20, the anti-budget, digital envelopes, or pay yourself first, the key is to find what works for you. Which of these advanced budgeting techniques do you like best? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money moves made easy. See you next time. For more comprehensive financial guidance, subscribe to Money Moves Made Easy TV and continue building your financial knowledge. See you in the next video.